Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Cool Mode Proof. Today is your first time visiting this channel. Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, guys. The buhlungu adipheli njengoba mndeni wakadambuza imgungudlovu usemandini njengoba kudubuleke rokudujule rada Nombulelo lona 28 na Minenhle lona 22. Nombulelo na Minenhle bebathanzana ababe bathanzana ngebulili lobufana kokani babadubule namuhla badubulwa i-ex-boyfriend ya Minenhle and the ex-boyfriend they share a sign together and uGayi kuthiwa bekungayi bekahlala amstock amlanzelela ngisho emsebentini mina endluzamele kuyibika lendzaba ekhaya kubo but batshela ukuthi ayithini kutondlula but they didn't know ukuthi kuyondlula ngalendlela so uGayi nyalo u-Onderane ubalekile ke sana akatholwa and but bayasola because amaphoyisa they are dragging their feet ngalendzaba akusengakaboshwa umuntu but bayasho ukuthi tihlituti yabo tibuhlungu kakhulu njengoba Minenhle vele bekumntwanabo and naye Nombulelo bebamati bebamjwayela yabanda guys iyophela nini lento yokuthi umuntu angikhoni uku-accepta ukuthi lomnye umuntu akasamthandi and the reason why Minenhle and Gayi broke up kukuthi Minenhle vele bekathanza amantombazane wathi uyamtshela Minenhle kuGayi wangayifuni kuyiva leyo so ngiloku Gayi ngiloku Minenhle amdampa karada kuGayi so uGayi wavuka amabhandi wathi kuthini if mina I can't have you no one will have you and wabadubula kwaphela kanjalo ngaMinenhle Nombulelo. May their beautiful soul rest in peace. Please subscribe, share this video. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.